Diddy confirms he pays Sting $5,000 per day for uncleared song sample. That must, yeah, I'll be missing you. That's exactly what I thought when I saw that headline. That's a heavy sample, dude. You
owe Sting $5,000 now.
I do, right?
Yeah. That was uncanny.
Very recognizable. What why am I forgetting this lyric right now? Every single day, every time I pray,
every breath I take.
I don't know if breath I take actually goes in there. Can we get let's get some lyrics real quick?
Okay, lyrics.
It's also like watching you, Missy. Okay, here, go down.
Wow, this is not from Sting. This is Faith Evans and Diddy.
Yeah, that's what you typed in.
Oh, what's the original song? What's that one called?
I believe it's Every Breath You Take.
Oh, okay,
yeah. Anyway, so every step I take, every move I make, every single day, every time I pray, I'll be missing you. Thinking of the day when you went away. What a life to take, what a bond to break. I'll be missing you. So that's the sample. Every step I take, every move I make, I'll be...
Stop singing.
Okay.
You'll owe him again.
So listen, I'm up to $15,000 now.
Yeah.
Diddy is keeping Sting's bills paid. The rapper who sampled Sting's 1983 single, Every Breath You Take, in his 97 single, I'll Be Missing You, which was like the biggest hit track in 97, I can't even tell you. So I would have been 12 years old in 97 and still listening to the radio. And this song was every fourth song after the death of Notorious.
Yeah.
Man. It became a hit. However, the rapper only asked Sting's permission for the sample after the song was released. Diddy and Sting have both addressed the situation previously, and in a 2018 interview with The Breakfast Club, Sting said he receives $2,000 a day from Diddy. A clip from the interview resurfaced on Twitter this week, and Diddy responded, "Nope, $5K a day. Love to my brother, official Sting." Wow.
They're still good friends.
Play the clip here. Or can you play the clip? God, I don't know any. It's a short clip. I think you can play it. Give me some audio.
Yeah.
Wow.
For the rest of his life.
Wow.
No, that's a
No, I read that before. Wow.
That's not true, is it?
But did he ask you for permission?
Yes, he did.
After the fact?
Yes, he did. Yeah, it was after. We're very good friends now.
Is it true that Diddy has to pay you $2,000 a day because he didn't ask permission to sample?
Wow.
$2,000 a day.
Well, they said $2,000, and now he says it's actually $5,000. Inflation will.
Okay, yeah.
But it is crazy because you also can't hear the song without it. You kind of need that. It's so important.
For sure.
So it's like it's probably worth it. It's a portion of his profits, but it also showcases how incredibly popular the "I'll Be Missing You" song is,
and how well they both take it.
Well,
Sting's not offended.
He's gonna pay $5,000 a day.
Diddy's not outraged about paying.
It's business.
Like it's just business. Yeah.
They're both getting
good
paid.
Business.
They're both getting paid.
Yeah. So good on them. All right, last one.
Now, what if Diddy synthesized Sting's voice via AI and then said, "That's actually not your sample. It's actually different."
That's where it gets rugged.
Dear God.